Ever felt the rush of capturing an event in record time? Billboard did just that. With a stunning turnaround of under 24 hours, they created a video masterpiece. This video, tailored for social media, showcased the powerful spirit of the Women's March. A staggering 591,435 views flooded in on Facebook, igniting vibrant conversations and reactions. The engagement was off the charts, with over 14,000 reactions and 1,000 shares. In a world favoring live content, Billboard's video outshined its Facebook Live counterpart. Everett Brothers, their senior content strategist, praises the magic of video creation tools. "Animoto is the tool every content marketer needs in their back pocket," he states confidently. As Facebook's algorithm shifted, Animoto provided the key to rapid, impactful video production. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, mastering video can elevate your content strategy immensely.